Welcome to my channel ZHackixh. Subscribe my channel. Today we will learn how to get US number. For that you have to go to this website textnow.com. Here you have to enter the country code. I'm looking for a UK number. You can get any country number free of cost. No packages, no subscription. I'm looking for a battle code. I'm gonna try a 442. Okay, let's check how it works. Well, my account is not verified yet in this website, and I think it will give me an error. Crosswalks. Okay, verify. Yeah, as I told you, first you have to verify your account. If you are in Pakistan, you have to use some VPN services. Here I verified my account, and here you can see that. Congratulations. Okay, great. I'm gonna log in again. Sign in. Yeah. Use some VPN service to get a US number if you are in Pakistan. First you have to run the VPN, then you have to go to this website, then create an account. Okay. So here I'm gonna type some number. It will give me some European number, and here you can see I am assigned with a new number, US number, and 804. I think it's Virginia state of US. I'm gonna try to call if this website or this number working or not. I'm gonna try on my mobile number, on my Pakistani mobile number. So it will provide 1 minute of credit, free credit, but you can receive maybe unlimited number of calls to this number. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks, take care. Yeah, as you can see, this is the screenshot when I call from that US number to my personal mobile number. This is a screenshot. As you can see, this tutorial works in every condition in any country. You can try. Don't forget to subscribe and join my WhatsApp group. Take care.